My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Peugeot 2008. This vehicle has done just over 28,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. We also have our cruise control, and to the right we have automatic wipers. On our screen we can access radio, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, contacts, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between our three different driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.